Hello, everyone. It's time for class project. So you can consider this class project as your homework. So whatever you will learn, now it's time for applying in real class project. And let's have some practice with the class project. So the name of our class project is Advertisement Poster of Mango Juice. So previously, we learned how you will create the advertisement poster with the AI. And previously, we used the apple juice, but this time in our class project, we will go for the mango juice. So let's focus about the description. And in this project, you will learn how to use ChatGPT or Gemini to generate creative ideas, marketing copies, and design prompt for creating a professional advertisement poster for a fictional mango juice brand. You will combine AI-powered prompt engineering with graphic design principle to produce a visually appealing promotional poster suitable for social media, print, or digital marketing campaigns. Throughout the project, you will discover how AI can speed up the creative workflow by generating concept, slogan, color palette, product description, and high-quality image prompt. So from the description, you already have the thought what the class project is about. Now, time for focus, what you have to do. So before starting the practical part, I want to tell you, so we applied in here this word that we will use either ChatGPT or Gemini. So you can, for the practical part, you can, in step 1, you can open the ChatGPT or Gemini. Which one is familiar with you? So instead of ChatGPT, I'm writing Gemini, okay? So at first, you have to open either ChatGPT or Gemini. So you can see in my screen, I open the Gemini in here. And if you are comfortable with the ChatGPT, you can use the ChatGPT as well. But this time, we are going to use the Gemini for practicing our class project. Then what you have to do, you have to write down this short prompt. Or instead of write down, you can just directly copy from the class project. And this is the prompt. And I'm copying this prompt from here. And I'm going to use it on Gemini. So you know for generating the image, what you have to do, you have to go for the plus sign. You have to use this create image option. Then you can paste the prompt, okay? And then you can hit the submit button. Then it will take a little time for generating your output. So we have to wait a little.
And here we go. So what we got in here, this is the output. So let's take a look what we have written in our prompt. So this is our prompt. So what we have written here, create a modern advertisement poster for a mango juice brand called Mango Splash. And let's take a look, is it really worked with this brand name? The brand name set as the Mango Splash. And you can see here, the brand name is applied, like the Mango Splash, okay? Then what's up written here? Feature a realistic chilled mango juice bottle with fresh mangoes, water splash, ice cubes, and green leaves on a vibrant yellow-orange tropical background. So what will be in background? Ice cubes, water splash, fresh mango, green leaves, and vibrant yellow-orange tropical background. Okay. So you can see here is the ice cube, here is the green leaves, here is the mango splash, water splash, everything we got according to our prompt. Okay. Then add the headline, taste the sweetness of real mango, and the tagline, 100% natural, fresh, delicious, and a 20% off badge with a grab yours now. And this could be the call to action. Okay? And it's mentioned use bold typography, premium lighting, and a clean professional commercial design in a portrait 4:5 format. So you can see, taste the sweetness of a real mango. This is what the headline. And you can see here is the 20% off. And here is the subtitle called the 100% natural, fresh, and delicious. Grab yours now. So exactly what text we have placed inside our prompt, this is what exactly we got in our output, right? So this is the class project and this is the task of yours. So you have to do the same. Then after creating, then let's focus on step 3. So this was the step 2, and in step 3, it's mentioned save the output. So what you have to do, you have to save the output. Then how you will save it. In Gemini, you know how to save it. You just have to open the image, then you will have this download full size option. So you can use this download full size option. And you see, the file is downloaded. And if you open here, it will open in your local image previewer. Okay, so after saving it, what you have to do, let's focus on class project doc file. So we already completed the save the output file. So we already have the downloaded file. And if you focus about the learning outcome, by completing this project, you will gain a practical experience in using ChatGPT or Gemini